Assalamualaikum. Hello everybody. I hope everybody's doing fine. Today I'm going to make a very simple shrimp fried rice recipe and I hope you will like it. So I have 3 cups of pre-boiled rice. I have 15 to 20 shrimp. I have 1.5 cup of peas and carrots, and I have 2 eggs. This is mushroom soy sauce right here. It's dark. It gives it a very good flavor. And we will use a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and I have low sodium soy sauce. So let's get started. A tablespoon or 2 of peanut oil or vegetable oil, that will be good. And first thing we are going to do is to fry the egg. I already have beaten 2 eggs here. I just added a pinch of salt and black pepper to the eggs for a little bit of flavor because the boys like it that way. And we are going to drop it in the wok, right? Okay, now we are not going to scramble it too much. Just, lightly move it for now. I don't want to break it into tiny little pieces, so let it cook for a minute. And after that, I'm just going to turn it on the side. Same wok, I'm adding frozen peas and carrots. Okay, now you can break up the egg with the vegetables. Nothing is going to be overcooked. Just like that. We are going to break the egg and saute the vegetables. Again, that's done. Let's push it on the side. ठीक है, हम बना रहे हैं shrimp fried rice. सबसे पहले मैंने ऑमलेट बना के साइड पे कर दिया. सिर्फ सॉल्ट और पिंच ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर थी उसमें, और अब मैंने पीज एंड कैरेट्स डाले हैं. उनको सॉटे करके मैंने उनको भी साइड पे कर दिया. इसमें डाला है श्रिम्प. अगेन इसको हमने ओवर कुक नहीं करना. एज सून एज द श्रिम्प टर्न्स पिंक, इट्स रेडी. Like I said, literally takes 10 to 15 minutes to make this dish, and your family will be very happy. I'm going to break just a little bit of black pepper over the shrimp. It's optional. You don't have to. You see how the shrimp is turning pink? That means it's getting very fast. Okay, now it's time to start cooking everything together. Okay, let's make sure everything is cooking nice and evenly. It's only 5 minutes into it. Like onions, you can always add onions. I like green onions in my fried rice, so मैंने थोड़े से green onion add करनी है, a little bit of green onion. एक tablespoon light sodium soy sauce का डाला. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And now we are going to fry the rice. Let's, with a spatula, break up the clumps if there are any in the rice, and keep frying the rice. It's going to give it a nice rich color, and all we have to do now is to fry up the rice, and we'll be ready to serve. Now you can put the flame to high because you're frying the rice, and you have to just fry like that. So this is how you make shrimp fried rice at home for your family. If you don't feel like ordering some days, you can just very easily make shrimp fried rice at home. Make sure all the clumps in the rice, जो चावल एक जगह पे कटे हुए होते, उनको निकाल दें. And I always stress on 1 day old rice is the best rice you can use for fried rice. You can always use fresh, but this is a day old basmati rice. And I had some shrimp sitting in the freezer, So I put them out earlier, and now my shrimp fried rice is ready. You can hear the rice frying. Just make sure all of your rice is fried properly. Just like that. Make sure. Turn. Fry. And we're done. There you go. Shrimp is cooked. We have egg in there. Egg is also optional. You don't want egg in your rice, don't add. You want, go ahead. There you go. Just gonna make sure all nicely cooked, colored and fried. Okay. I think we're done. अल्लाह हाफिज़ फिर मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह किसी और रेसिपी के साथ उस वक्त तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा stay healthy stay happy and stay blessed thank you very much